Hey student, this is your maths teacher and here we are going to discuss the question which based on area of circle. So let's see the topic, area of circle. Area of C. Let's see area of circle. Area of circle. So in the last video, we have already discussed the question which based on area of circle, and I hope that you have understood everything whatever we have done. And now let's see some question which also based on area of circle. Here the question that I am going to explain is quite different than the question that we have studied in the last video. And let's see what is the question. And question is, if the area of circle is 24.64 centimeter square, then find its circumference. So this is the question. We have to find out the circumference of a circle whose area is 24.64 centimeter square. In order to find out the circumference of the circle, since the both area and circumference having the term of radius, so in order to find out the circumference of circle, we need to find out the radius of circle from the area of circle. So first of all, we need to find out the area of circle, radius of circle. Since given that area of circle is equal to pi r square. Is that clear? And the area is given as 24.64 is equal to pi r square. This 24.64 can be written as 2464 upon 100 is equal to the value of pi is 22/7 into r square. This is because of in order to remove the decimal, we write 24.64 as 2464. Now let's solve it again. So in order to find the radius, we need to transfer this quantity to left hand side. So we write r square is equal to 2464 upon 100 into 7 upon 22. When a fraction goes to the either side, numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. So 22/7 become 7/22. Now divide 2464 by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 11 2 is 22, and divide it by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, and 2 2 is 4. Is that clear? Again divide this quantity by 11. 11 1 is 11, and this 11 1 is 11, carry 1, that is again 11 1 is 11, carry 2 and 11 2 is 22. So we get 112. So here we write 112 by into 7 by 100. If you have any problem, then you can directly solve 2, 4, 6, 4 by 22. So 22 1 is 22. Here we get difference as 2, put 6. Again 21 1 is 22 and we get 4, and here this 4 is 44 and 22 2 is 44. So we get 112 into 7 by 100. Is that clear? Now we have to find the product of 112 by 7. So 7 2 is 14, carry 1. 7 1 is 7, 7 and carry, that is 8, and 7 1 is 7 upon 100. Is that clear? Now this is the value of r square, but we have to find out the value of r. So we have solved it. R is equal to under root 7 upon 84 upon 100. This represents we have to find out square root of 784 by 100. In order to get the square root of 784, we need to prime factorize 784. So let's find out the prime factorization of 784. So here we write 784 and finding its prime factorization. Divided by 2, 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6, 1, and 8 is here 18, and 2 9 is 18, and 2 2 is 4. Since the unit digit is 2, so again it is divisible by 2, and here we divide by 2, 2 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 1, and taking 9 as a unit digit we get 19, 2 9 is 18, and 2 6 is 12. So we get 196 as a quotient. Since 196 also have 6 as a unit digit, so it again divisible by 2, and we divide it 2. 2 9 is 18, and 2 8 is 16. Again 98 has unit digit 8, so it will be divisible by 2, and now dividing it by 2, we get 2 4 is 8, and 2 9 is 18, and divide 49 by 7, 7 7 is 49, and 7 is 7. So 784 become prime factorized, and now write its all prime factors here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, and the prime factorization of 100 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. In order to get the square root, we need to make pair of these prime factors. So making its prime factor pair, forming its pair, and taking one element from each pair, we get 2 into 2 into 7 and 2 into 5. So we get 2 2 is 4, and 4 7 is 28, and 2 5 is 10. So here we get 28 by 10, or 2 5 is 10, and 14 2 ja 28. So here we get 14 upon 5 centimeter, which is the radius. So the radius is 14.5 centimeter. Or sometimes we take radius as 28 by 10 also. We can use the both as a radius in the formula. So I hope here there is no problem. Now let's see the next. The next problem is we have to find out its circumference. Since we got its radius, now we can easily find out its circumference. So let's see its circumference. Since we know that circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. The circumference is given by 2 pi r. So we can write the value 2 into 22 by 7, and in place of r we use 28 by 10. So here we write 28 by 10 as radius. We can use 14 by 5 also or 2.8 also. There is no problem. You can use whatever you want. Okay. Sometimes this can be also written as 2.8 centimeter also. So you can take 2.8 centimeter in place of 28 by 10. It's your choice. No problem. You can write. Okay. Now solve it. 7 divide 28 by 7, 7 1 is 7 and 7 4 is 28. So here we get 2 into 22 into 4 upon 10. Now find its product. 22 to is 44. So we can write 44 into 4 upon 10. Okay. Or it can be also written as when 44 multiplied by 4, we get the product as 176 by 10, and after this we get 17.6 centimeter, which is the circumference. So this is the required result, and I hope it is clear. Now let's see the solution once again, whatever we have done here. The question is, if the area of circle is 24.64 centimeters square, then find its circumference. In order to find its circumference, we have to find out the radius of circle. So the radius of circle can be find here. Let's see how. We know that the area of circle is pi r square. The area of circle is given as 24.64 and is equal to pi r square. Here, after removing the decimal, 24.64 can be written as 2464 by 100, and the value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square. Now transposing 22 by 7 to left side, we get r square is equal to 2464 by 100 into 7 upon 22. And after the division of 2464 by 22, we get 112 as a percent. So we write 112 into 7 upon 100. The product of 7 upon 112 into 7 is 784 and 100 is remain unchanged. Now getting the square root of 784, which is we have find 28, and the square root of 100 that we have found as 10. So the radius become 14 upon 5 or 28 by 10 or 2.8 centimeter. All these quantity are same. Now the circumference can be found out using the formula 2 pi r. Using the value 2 and the pi is 22 by 7 and r is taken as 28 by 10. Now dividing 28 by 7 we get 4. So here we get 2 into 22 into 4 upon 10. The product of 22 and 2 is 44 and 4 is remain same. After the product of 44 and 4 is 176 and 10 is remain unchanged. And 10 represents decimal fraction. So here we get 17.6 as its circumference. So in this way we can find out its circumference. So students, I hope everything is clear. So we shall solve some more questions in the next video. Till then, goodbye.